What's up, future tech enthusiasts? The DJI Avata 3 is coming, and it's shaping up to be a game changer in the world of FPV drones. Better aerodynamics, upgraded camera tech, insane stabilization, and next-gen AI. You won't want to miss this. Stay tuned as we dive into all the leaked details right here on Technology in the Future. DJI Avata 3, the next big leap for FPV drones. The world of FPV drones is about to change forever, and DJI is once again leading the charge. The upcoming DJI Avata 3, according to the latest leaks and insider reports, is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases for drone enthusiasts worldwide. If you're into high-speed flying, jaw-dropping aerial shots, or just pure adrenaline-filled experiences, you'll definitely want to hear what's coming. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far about the DJI Avata 3. From major design overhauls and flight upgrades to new camera technology and potential release dates. Starting with design, DJI seems to be focusing on better aerodynamics and flight stability. While the original Avata already delivered an incredible FPV experience, it struggled a bit in heavy wind conditions. The Avata 3 is rumored to feature a sleeker, more aerodynamic frame that reduces drag and improves handling. This would not only mean better control at high speeds, but also potentially longer flight times thanks to reduced power consumption. Expect smoother, quieter flights, perfect for both cinematic shoots and hardcore FPV racing. Build quality might also get a major boost. Leaks hint at stronger, lighter composite materials being used in the new Avata 3. This means better crash resistance without sacrificing agility. Whether you're zipping through forests, skimming rooftops, or diving through narrow gaps, you can fly with more confidence knowing your drone can handle the hits. Now let's talk about the camera. And this is where things get really exciting. The DJI Avata 3 could come packed with a massive 1-inch image sensor, something unheard of in most FPV drones. This upgrade would deliver crystal clear image quality, richer colors, and stunning low-light performance. Pair that with a possible adjustable aperture, 10-bit color depth, and HDR video capture, and you're looking at cinema-grade footage straight out of a compact FPV setup. No more shaky, low-res shots, just pure, buttery smooth visuals. Speaking of smoothness, stabilization is expected to be next level too. DJI might combine mechanical gimbal stabilization with advanced EIS, electronic image stabilization, ensuring your footage stays rock steady even during the wildest flight maneuvers. Whether you're flipping, rolling, or diving, the footage will look like it was shot on a professional rig. On the safety and smart flying side, the Avata 3 could bring AI-powered obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight assistance. Imagine your drone not just detecting obstacles, but actually predicting the best paths around them in real time. Smart flight modes might also get major improvements, giving both beginners and pros more creative freedom without worrying about crashes. Connectivity is another big area of upgrade. Rumor has it that DJI is introducing a brand new O3 Plus transmission system with Sync 4 Plus tech, offering better range, stronger anti-interference capabilities, and even lower latency. That means you can push the limits farther than ever while still getting a crystal clear live feedback to your goggles. Battery life improvements are also expected thanks to smarter power management systems. Longer flight times without adding extra weight would be a huge win for FPV pilots who want to stay in the air longer without constant battery swaps. As for the launch date, all signs point to a spring 2025 release, possibly as early as April. DJI's track record suggests we'll start seeing official teasers very soon, so stay tuned. In short, the DJI Avata 3 could be the ultimate FPV drone for creators, racers, and adrenaline junkies alike. With its cutting-edge design, incredible camera system, smarter flight tech, and next-gen connectivity, it's shaping up to be a true game-changer. Don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future to stay updated on all the latest leaks, news, and full reviews as soon as the Avata 3 drops. It's going to be an amazing year for drone lovers, and we're just getting started.